everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a Beebeecraft project share with items that Dave sent me. So before that, I wanted to remind you guys of their Beebeecraft YouTube program. Basically, if you have over 100 subscribers, you have a YouTube channel and are willing to create projects with their items. Basically, you email them and let them know that you're interested in featuring their products, and I will link that on the description below as a YouTube program. Also, any orders over $25, usually you get free shipping, and I do have a coupon code, so it's $5 off any $40 purchase. So it is Kathy5, and it will be linked down on the description below. So everything that I mentioned actually will be linked down on the description below, as well as their items that I used for this project. So let me go ahead and show you what I ended up using. So I received these alpha beads, and aren't they so darn adorable? You get a bunch. I've already done a few projects with these, and I still have so many left. So I'm so excited to continue using these. I got this aluminum craft wire, and this wire is really bendable. There you go. And this is a 20 gauge. It says a different, the measurements are so totally different, but it is about a 20 gauge. So there you go. And it is really flexible, bendable. You could do so many things with it. I also went ahead and used these. These are the bow charms that I received from them. Aren't these cute? Oh my goodness, these are so adorable. Okay, you guys know I can never put stuff back the way it belongs, or I have to take my time, and I don't have time here. I also use these beads that I've received previously from Beebeecraft, and these are two different ones. So as you guys could see, I don't know if you guys could see they kind of look the same, but these are smaller and these are a little bit bigger, but I will link both of them down on the description below. And I also use this trim, leaf trim, gold leaf trim. Awesome to use in a lot of your projects. Oh my goodness. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you what I created. So the first one, simple, and it was creating with the wire, and I'm still learning how to write with wires. So this was one of my first projects, and there you go. So I went ahead and wrote happy. So cute, and it was using this wire right here, and like I said, it's very flexible, and you could write almost about anything with this. It is so awesome to use. Like, look at how flexible this is. See how flexible that is? Oh my goodness. So just practice, and if you are a better writer, awesome for you, because my writing as it is not as well. But let me go ahead and show you my next project that I created, and this was using the alphas. This is the little bow right here, and these are the charms, and this is also using the wire right here. As you guys could see, this is the wire. And what do you guys think? And there's the leaf trim right here. I love how these came out. These are so adorable. And this is the other one. And I just went ahead and put different color up here so it could give it a little livelihood. And there you go. And it was almost using the same thing. And I put faith right here. And on these, all I did was just glue them down on this scallop circle. And that is it. So hopefully you guys like my project share. Let me see if I am in frame. Yeah. So anyway, sorry you guys. So again, these are my creations. Hopefully you guys like them, and don't forget to check Beebeecraft. Their products are amazing, and thank you again, Beebeecraft, for allowing me to showcase your items. They are so lovely, and I wish and hope to continue working with you guys. Love creating for you guys, and again, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.